Ladies and gentlemen, this is Petty Officer Second Class Robert Orr and his family, and they're going to be the recipients of our Built to Honor home. So welcome to the Pulte Group family.
Growing up in Detroit, my older brother, before he passed away, he was in the Navy, and always thought about going after watching him and, seeing how he was in uniform and the respect he got when he came home. So after 9/11, seeing my brother, I said, I got to be next up to join this fight and protect this country, make sure it never happens again. I never wanted to get out of the military. That uniform was my safe haven. Just growing up in Detroit, it was rough. And you can survive in Detroit, you can go over anywhere else and survive and help other people survive. So putting on that uniform changed my life, and I was able to go other places and change other people's lives and actually save some lives myself. You're actually what I miss the most, grabbing somebody's hand and pulling them out of a bad situation where they don't see any hope. It just takes one person to care that it changed someone's life. I wanted to be that one person.